right here we have Kiwi and Coconut. These are our Kunekune Pigs. What's going on, Kiwi? Y'all, we got Kiwi when she was a baby. She's getting huge. Look at her. Say hello, Kiwi. Hey, Coconut. So I'm just out giving them some bread. I try not to give them too much, just a handful. Kiwi, smile. Kiwi. We got Mama Clementines and her little piggies. And y'all, we got Mama Clementine at the same time we got Kiwi, because Mama Clementine is Kiwi's mama. And she came with the surprise of these piggies. We already sold 2. We're hoping 2 is going to be sold by the end of this month. And the little boy, we're planning on fattening and taking him to freezer camp in the future. So, right here we have all our chickens, our older chickens out. I got them out so they can search the yard and find bugs and seeds and everything, so they can yard feed. And then there we got our big old bourbon red turkey right there. And a bunch of these chickens are starting to age out, so we're probably about to start getting rid of them and replace them with our younger turkeys that are about to come into age to start laying. We have our bucks. We have Marshmallow. Here, Marshmallow. Marshmallow is one of the tamest goats I think we actually have. This is little farmhand, Caden's goat. The reason we have him is because Caden told Granny, nope, Marshmallows is his. And so we have to keep Marshmallow around for Caden. Caden comes over and the first thing he wants to do is pet Marshmallow and play with Marshmallow. Over here we got Ted. Hey, Ted. And over here we have Peter. I'm not sure y'all can see Peter. Over there we have Peter. Peter is also a wither, and he planning on taking him to freezer camp here in the future. Alright, in this pen we have all our girls. We have Gigi right here, Lucy. We have Grace over here going crazy. Rain's over there, don't jump on me, Lucy. And we have our buck, Tevia, over there. Lucy. Hey, Tevia, don't mess with my stand here, Tevia. Now all these girls should be pregnant by now. And all these but Tevia and Gigi we had since they were babies.
The G goats? I know you guys saying twice in a row. But I need to repeat the name.
Gracie, she was Cinnamon's.
Is that true enough?
Gracie. Over here we have Mr. Plum, our guinea hog. Here, Mr. Plum. Here's you some bread. The goats are over here still wanting more bread. And then we have Sakura and her babies. They're all getting big too. But these goes to freezer camp. These are our New Zealand giant chinchilla mitts. And in here we have all our little baby rabbits. Look at them. A little squirt. Look at little squirt. Look how big squirt's getting. Look at that. Look how big squirt's getting. We have Violet and all her babies. They're getting so big. Look how big all these babies are getting. And if I rotate the camera over here, we have Copper and all her babies. They're so cute. Most of these are ready to go find homes. The gray one's so cute. The silver one's so cute. We have this group of babies. These are New Zealanders, of course. Totoro, she has two babies, but they normally stay inside. And they're all lion heads. And they're about ready to go find new homes too. Here's this bunch of babies. They all just ran inside. Even though I'm trying to showcase them. This one big old bunny. I believe there's two in this one. So needless to say, this one's a New Zealand chinchilla mix. And I can't never remember which rabbit's which of all the New Zealanders. To me, they look so very similar. It's hard for me to tell them apart. So now, y'all, I know it wasn't the most adventuring video, but that's mostly all of our animals. We have our Kunekune Pigs that you've seen. We have our goats. We have our chickens. We have our rabbits. And that's mostly of all the animals we have. But for our one little acre, I can almost show you the whole acre here. For our one little acre, that's pretty lots of stuff on here. Right here is mostly of all our land. So, but it's amazing what we get off this one little acre. Our goats, most of our goats gives, when they're wet, they normally give us about 1 gallon to 1.5 gallons a day. We have all those rabbits that's about to become meat in about a month or two. We have chickens who lay eggs, and as I said again, they may be going to freezer camp because they're getting old, and we may use their meat for soup because you know it's going to be a little tough. And then we have our garden, and y'all, I mean, it's amazing what we get off this one little acre right here. We have our pigs, we have our goats. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that annoying bell, leave a comment below, and remember to share this video. Y'all have a great day, and bye ya.